SSC exams, phrasal verbs. First one, reduce subsidies. Answer, cut back on. The phrasal verb cut back on means to reduce the amount of something. Next, examine the proposal. Examine the proposal. Answer, go through. The phrasal verb go through means to examine something carefully. Next, third one, leave their homes. Answer, move out. The phrasal verb move out means to leave one's home or a place where one lives, which is appropriate for villagers living due to flood warming. Next, fourth one, remove unnecessary details. Answer, cross out. The phrasal verb cross out means to draw a line through something written because it is wrong or not needed. Next, stop smoking. Answer, give up. It means to stop doing something, especially a habit. Next, sixth one, take control of startups. Answer, take over. It means to take control of a company or business. Next, seventh one, oppose the policy. Answer, spoke out against. Means to state policy that one opposes something. Next, restrain anger. Answer, held back. It means to control one's emotions or reactions. Next, become law. Answer, come into force. It means to become operationally or legally valid. Next, surrender to pressure. Answer, given to. So it means to surrender or yield to something such as pressure. Next, suggest examples. Answer, come up with. It means to produce an idea or a solution. Next, close operations. Answer, shut down. It means to close a factory, business, or piece of equipment. Next, meet an old friend. Answer, ran into. It means to meet someone by chance. Next, disperse the protest. Answer, break up. It means to disappear, to disperse a crowd or meeting. Next, mention key points. Answer, pointed out. It means to draw attention to a specific fact or detail. Next, missed instructions. That means answer, missed out an. It means to lose an opportunity or fail to experience something. Next, get rid of machinery. Answer, go away with. So it means to get rid of something or abolish it. Next, cause a debate. Answer, set off. It means to cause something to start or happen. Next, break rules. It answer, break out, break rules. Answer, break out. 20th one, proposal rejected. Answer, turned down. It means to reject a proposal or offer. Next one, withdraw from duty. Answer, back out of. It means to withdraw from a commitment or agreement. Next, resolve differences. Answer, sort out. It means to resolve a problem or disagreement. Next, remove the paragraph. Answer, take out. It means to remove something from a place. Next, become part of the culture. Answer, fit in with. It means to be accepted by the other people in a group. Next, deal with the issue. Answer, take up. It means to deal with an issue or a problem. Please subscribe for the tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.